Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a date picker in Android. Creating a date picker is very easy and it can be very helpful in certain cases like creating a reminder, creating a calendar event like so. Android also has a time picker library which is similar to date picker and I have explained the same in another video. Now, let's continue with how to create a date picker. First, let's go to the activity main.xml and create a button. Using this button, we'll activate the date picker. In the main activity.java, let's reference this button and set an on-click listener on this. In the on-click event handler, let's create a DatePickerDialog equals new DatePickerDialog, and we will be using this third override of this DatePicker, where we first pass in the context main activity.this in our case, and an on date set listener as a second parameter. Third, fourth and fifth parameter will be year, month and day of the month. Let's create integers for year, month and date. This year, month, date values that we pass here will be the date that will be currently selected in the date picker when the date picker opens. So for this, let's create the date for today. For that, let's create a calendar object, calendar.get instance, and let's get current year, month and date like this. Now let's display the date picker like DatePickerDialog.show. Now let's run this code in an actual device and see what happens. When we click the show date picker button, our date picker displays as expected. Whenever we select a date in the date picker, we'll be able to access the selected date in on date set handler. Now let's create a toast in this and see what date you have selected. Now let's run this and test. Now let's click the Christmas day and hit OK. But now when we see this toast, we can see that this date displayed as 25/11, that is November. Let's run this again and check. Okay. What actually happens here is the month value which we get here is actually counted from 0. So we need to add 1 here to get actual month. The same thing actually happens when we pass the current month as a parameter over here. So now let's run this and try it again. That's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.